Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the new rare fish, spine eel in Fish It. Let's just head to the crystal tab, and then this is the only area where you can catch the spine eel. So make sure you are fishing right here. And then since the spine eel is a rare level fish, like this, you don't need top tier gear. Just use a mid tier rod and medium level bait. Like for example, you can use timpang rod or lucky rod, and for the bait you can use midnight bait or luck bait. That's more than enough to catch these fish. And then after that, just get your line and be patient until you get this fish. And once you catch it, the spine eel has a look like this. Like this. It has a long body with blue colored, with dark blue colored, and with the green markings like this. I think it's cool. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.